nôl i'r gyfres lle dyn ni'n ail-fyw gwersi Cariad at Iaith, y llynedd, the series where we relive our lessons from Cariad at Iaith last year, ynde?
Wel, y noson gyntaf, first night, the pobl ddim yn nabod I gilydd, felly mwyn torri'r ia, to break the ice, beth gwell na quiz tafarn.
Quiz tafarn. A dyma ein quiz feistr, our quizmaster extraordinaire yma. Rwan, oedden nhw'n amlwg yn mynd I fod yn ffrindiau, ond oedden nhw reit gystadleuol, quite competitive from the beginning hefyd yn doedden, gweliwch hwn.
Wel, croeso I chi gyd i'r quiz yma. We've got dau dîm. So what's the name for the team you've got here?
Pysgodyn Wibbly Wobbly!
Oh, right, Pysgodyn Wibbly Wobbly, right, iawn. Ar ochr yma...
Carreg Aur.
Carreg Aur. So let's start off with general knowledge. Gwybodaeth gyffredinol. What is the Welsh name for Wales?
Quiz yw hwn I fod, ife?
In which decade was rugby player Gareth Edwards first capped for Wales?
Oh, first capped.
Ond mae rai bod ti'n gwybod hwnna, Gareth?
What island lies off the northwest coast of Wales? Where was the first Eisteddfod held?
Mae'r olwg yna yn dweud y cyfan, fi'n credu.
What does this word mean? Gwers. Gwers.
Flippin' said this last night.
Cwtch. What's a cwtch?
Do you know what that is?
Yeah, like cuddle.
Wel, siawns bod yn ddigon hawdd bod ti'n rhoi'r ateb iddyn nhw.
Calon lan yn llawn blank and then the second line.
Ie, blanc yw'r gair.
Oes gafyrn.
The quiz was good fun, and even, you know, like the smaller things when you're throwing in there, like words and translating them, then, you know, I learned a few words today, just from not, you know, not even trying to learn, but learn a few words. But again, it's all still about kind of getting to know each other, and, you know, other people are going to know more than you, and it's all about kind of us helping each other out as well, rather than the tutors doing all the work.
Mae'n amser cyfnewid papurau.
What island lies off the northwest coast of Wales?
Anglesey.
What's Anglesey in Welsh? Ynys Môn, da iawn. If you got that...
Ynys Môn.
Yeah, got an extra point if you got that there, yeah. No. First Eisteddfod was Aberteifi in 1170.
I believe it. This is a shambles.
O, enau plant bychain.
Gwers, lesson. Cwtch, which is a good South Walian word.
Cuddle.
A cuddle or a hug. Calon lan yn llawn.
We've only been here a couple of hours and we're all gelling really good, we're all gelling really well, we're all, you know, having good fun together, so I'm really looking forward to the rest of the week and getting to know everybody else a lot better.
Right, let's total these up now then.
12. Oh, 13. 13. You won!
Okay, clap mawr!
Wel, ymheis gen I y ffindiwch chi enillydd Mastermind Cymru o blith y detholion yma.
We'll keep a welcome in the...
Pa bynnag mor wresog yw'r croeso, mae'r gwaith caled yn dechrau bore fori am hanner awr wedi 7.
Ac ar ôl noson hwyr, oedd rhaid iddyn nhw godi'n gynnar ar gyfer y wers Gymraeg. They may have had a late night, but they still had to get up nice and early ar gyfer y dosbarth Cymraeg.
A dyma sut oedden nhw'n cael ei deffro.
Ist, mi glwaf sŵn y dolydd yn deffro. Ond lle mae'r llawen sŵn a'i beraidd sain sy'n llenwi'r fro a lloni'r brain? O, dacw fôr hyn go. Wedi codi'r fuwch a'r llo, a dau sy'n brysur mynd am dro. Hei ho'r yn anwl rhys, y clochydd gorau wisgodd gris. Mor hapus fydd ein ffrindiau oll wrth effro'n fored sŵn dy gloch.
Bore da, pawb.
Bore da, Bob.
Sut y ti?
Da iawn, diolch. Ond och, nid pawb sy'n ffoli ar dy gloch. Beddyliau rhai ei fod yn groch. Filistiaid ydy'n dwir I ddyn a rodde'r gloch na yn dy... Wel, yn rhywle na welodd hael erioed.
Bring out your dead.
I'r rhai, di angen fyd y dincl.
Morning campers, I gotta say, that's probably the worst night's sleep I've ever had in my life because it was pretty sunllyd.
quite wyntog. And those cows, yeah, they were quite noisy. Bit of a shower.
Mae'r drochfa wedi deffro direidi yn wyn. O, diar. Alex, Drian.
How's it going, mate?
No one told me this was happening.
A Lucy Lan sy'n hoff oedd gan.
Alright, I got it. I'm up.
Bore da, Lucy.
Helo. Bore da. Lucy ydw i. Dwi'n byw yn Beckenham, ond dwi'n dod o Gaerdydd.
A Gareth Lew, sut wyt ti'r llew?
Wedi blino lan. I know that one.
Wel, mae'n rhaid I bawb ddechrau'n rhywle. Da was, fe lwyddais eto gwyn dy fyd, ond paid a disgwyl hyn o hyd.
Ouch, watch this space, achos mae Wyn yn deffro Alex bob bore, Drian. Maen nhw fel plant.
A draw ni nawr at y wers gyntaf.
Dramatic iawn, the first lesson. Ron, mae'r wers gyntaf yn bwysig yn dydi. Mae'r drefn, the order of things is very important. Beth dyn ni'n neud?
Wel, y wers gyntaf ydy sylfaen is the foundation ar gyfer gweddill y cwrs, the most important part. Ac beth sy'n digwydd ydy, mae'n y gyflwyniad dramatic. Chi'n actio'r stori dramatic iawn, gyda Placebo Domingo. Wedyn mae'r cyngherfau, y cyngherfau lle ydych chi'n darllen y stori I Mozart neu Beethoven ac wedyn darllen y stori I cerddoriaeth baroc ac mae hynny yn gosod sylfaen, the foundation a wedyn gweddill yr wythnos you build upon that foundation.
Reit te, yn hytrach na bod ni'n siarad am y peth, instead of hearing us talk about the session, dewch nôl ar ôl yr egwyl I weld y sesiwn. Mae'n haws esbonio. It's easier to explain yn dydi.
O, ac mi oedd Lucy Owen wedi cyrraedd erbyn hynny.
Ie, oedd yr 8 yn y llwyth yn barod am ei gwers.